Today we're going to meet with a new family in Tarrytown, Andrea and Robert. Sounds like they run a few businesses and are also raising a few kids. Really excited to meet with them because their vision for the space is really cool. They want to give their kids a space to horse around in. They also want to use it as an oasis from their busy lives, a space to recover and recharge. And they also want to be able to pull in and feel really good about what they're pulling into. They want to beautify the space, so let's go see what they're working with.
Hey, I'm Andrea and this is Robert, and welcome to our crazy busy life.
Right now it's too hard to pretty much find anything. Like this whole place is basically underneath the couch, right? We just stick stuff there.
I'm one of those people that I have a really busy, high demanding job, and I like to pull into my home and feel calm and at peace. And when I open the garage right now, it's chaotic. It feels like chaos.
It's just not efficient. And it's just the catch-all for everything. So it's a nice space, it's laid out well, you can do a lot with it. We're just not there right now. So we are asking for Jeff's help to make this something that we really like walking into.
Andrea and Robert want to beautify the space, and one way we're going to do that is by recoating the floor. As you can see, whoever put this first coating on didn't do any crack repairs. So we're gonna grind this entire surface down and repair all these cracks from scratch. We're also gonna recoat the stairs. This surface here has been extremely slippery and it's caused a safety concern with the family. One of the biggest challenges for our team are all the concrete walls. Every wall in here is concrete, which means the electrical our electrician is gonna have to run has to be in pipe and it has to be surface mounted. And it's not a 120 volt line, it's a 220 volt line for the brand new sauna. Our installation team is gonna be putting slat wall on this wall and wall shelves over here. They're also gonna have their hands full with installation, seeing they're gonna have to drill into the concrete and anchor the products accordingly. We only have 2 weeks to complete this project while the family's out on vacation. Welcome back, it's Monday morning. We finished up on Friday. Robert and Andrea, they came back from vacation on Saturday morning. They sent me a really awesome text when they get back. I can't wait to see them in person and see how they're enjoying the space, so come along with. Back.
Hey, thanks, good to see you.
Good to see you guys. How was the trip?
It was awesome, great break. Yeah.
Well, what do you think of the space? We did this while you guys were on vacation.
I'm so excited to come back. And one thing I do want to say too, the updates really helped to build the suspense for us. So that was awesome. Not only excellent communication, but I was like, oh, I'm really looking forward to seeing the garage because they're talking about it all the time, right? Coming home, I mean, the kids are just excited. It's a pretty place to play, right? So it's not like this afterthought, go down to the basement feeling anymore. So yeah, that was super fun to see their reaction and yeah, their excitement, and they can see all their toys that are out and accessible, and they know where it goes, right? So so it's just been awesome. We're very excited.
So when we were getting home from vacation, we were already excited because of the communication, and we weren't totally, we kind of knew what to expect, but it was still going to be a big reveal. And our kids went bananas. They loved it. We loved it also. Just walking into it, we had pretty high expectations. We were blown away. It was awesome.
For me, coming home to the garage done it was like, oh, it's all done. Turnkey.
Yeah.
It's done, and it's pretty.
Now the space is finished, we are most excited to be able to hang out here, instead of just being a place that we generally avoid getting our cars and get the heck out, but also just being the first place that we come into and leave from. It goes a long way for just to have a pleasant vibe in here.
I work hard all day, so I'm a big, one thing I need is to be able to pull into my home and feel it's just zen, relax, not like, oh yeah, here's another list of things I need to do. So for me, it's just calming, really. I know that may sound weird, but again, this is our exit and entry point for our home. So first thing we see when we get home every day,
This experience has really changed our family's life. This was a new house for us. We've been in here for about a year, and it really completes this place for us. We've been doing some work on it, but we didn't really know how critical this space was for us. So it's just turned into something that actually the parents and the kids can really agree on. They love it. We love it.
It's so fun to see how excited Robert and Andrea are about this space now. When I first met them, they were pretty defeated, pretty deflated, and now they're totally different. This has really impacted their lives, and I'm really happy to see it. The team just started another project. No, I did not just get out of the sauna. It is 100 degrees out already. So we're gonna close the door on this project, say goodbye for now, and I'm gonna go inspect what they've started at the next one.